Hey, this is Bruce, Pitmaster at Hey Bruce Barbecue, and today we're talking about B&B Char-Logs, all the benefits of lump charcoal and the ease of briquettes. So char-logs are made from the fines, those small pieces of lump that couldn't make it in the bag, and we compress them down and combine them with just enough vegetable starch to hold them together. And because of that, they can be used in all types of charcoal grills, smokers, pizza ovens, even your Komodo-style ceramics. These char-logs have a unique shape with a hole in the middle, providing great airflow, giving us a clean smoke and high heat, and it really holds those temps. They're easy to light and they provide us a consistent, continuous burn. For those hot cooks, we really open up those vents, and for that low and slow, we bring that airflow down. It provides a clean, mild smoke, letting us use wood chunks and chips to add the smoked flavor that we want. Keep producing that great food and keep on grilling.